innovation index is defined for companies as well. Companies as well, but we thought of having a Sri Lankan innovation index as a whole.
So, I'm not clear in my mind now. From the point of view of innovation, the index that you have established, wouldn't it be universal? I mean, is it necessary to have a national one separately?
Yes, sir. There are some components. How much we spend from our GDP for our research and development, and how many researchers are there as a percentage of the population, and what are the areas we are investing.
So, in other words, country-specific information.
Yes, and with the private sector is contributing to that. How much is that?
But I think what you're also asking is, if you have those parameters, can't you have one set of parameters for all countries?
That's right.
Universal.
There are definitions, like the Oslo manual is for the developed countries, the INSEAD, but there's a Bogota manual for the developing countries. Because they look at economies in transition, certain elements may not be there, they know that. So they don't try to put a zero and lower the index. Because otherwise you are actually comparing not the likes with the likes. So if you have to say we are a middle income country, we must have an innovation index as of now, which shows us we are moving where with our economies here. We are better than the most in our segment. So like the startups per capita, Sri Lanka would be near zero. Whereas if you go to America, the startups per capita would be very high. But then we should not measure ourselves with that. That's why we are trying to kind of take it to localize the index.
So the World Economic Forum,
Competitive index, global competitive index.
that is captured. They also classify into different.
But then they do a blanket one for all, no? Economy wise?
Not blanket, but they say is the contribution from a developing country, innovation contribution, the weightage is less. So the developing country, the weightage is high. They want to maintain a company.
Yeah, but then we take the innovation elements and then look at how that's anyway. I think
The KPI I developed from the World Economic Forum. I have taken only the technology pillars. And they have given some rank. I think the next week they are meeting again. So they don't know who is doing for Sri Lanka. They get the Sri Lanka because I don't know how they get the funds.
They get some, like, they know how much we spend on R&D from our budget.
But no, so a lot of things
Yeah,
they say
as
through a survey.
percentage.
Through a survey. So I
Ours
think
is
they must be
0.1.
subcontracted to someone here.
something may be happening, we don't know.
Hard to find out.
Yeah, in second, because otherwise you see as a result when they publish those are
We are
outdated.
there with I mean, recent publication on one thing, women empowerment in Sri Lanka is the worst country. Yeah, it's there. It's hitting the 0 point. I should actually get to that. It's so bad.